This video will demonstrate how to install a screen onto a Napoleon Riverside Outdoor Gas fireplace. To begin installation of the screen, locate the 4 dimples in the upper and lower inside edges of the fireplace. Drill out the dimples with a 1/8 inch diameter drill bit and install the supplied shoulder bolts in all 4 locations. If media has already been installed along the front of the media tray, it will need to be removed to access the slot cover. Loosen the screws on either side of the slot cover and slide it back, revealing the slots. Resecure the slot cover in place once both rows of slots are visible. It's important to ensure all the slots are open to ensure the correct operation of the Riverside. Reinstall the splinters and charcoal pieces at the front of the media tray, ensuring the slots are not covered at any point. Lastly, install the screen onto the shoulder bolts by lifting it up and carefully pushing it in until it's flush with the front of the appliance. Find this video helpful? Subscribe to the Wolf Steel technical page for more installation and troubleshooting videos.